Right, so this is our 1970 Italian Lambretta GP 200. So this was red from the factory, first UK registered in June or July 1970 in Doncaster. It stayed in that area for most of its life. So it's had a blowover, paint blowover, the panels and stuff have been resprayed. But I'll show you in a second, all the internals have been left as original. So this is a beautiful original example of an Italian GP 200 in great condition. Nice retro Giullari sports seat on it. Recent engine rebuild with a new crankshaft. This thing pulls like a train. 55 years old and ready for another 55 years. And there she is under the panels. So it's got the original grey toolbox, all original paint on the rear mudguard and the petrol tank, which has been cleaned out. And there she is. Let's fire her up.